Hey guys, we received this flush mount ceiling fan for test and try. This comes with a LED dimmable 3 CCT lights and a remote control. 52-inch modern low profile ceiling fan with the easy installation and whisper quiet DC motor. As you see, the packing itself is very nice, and this comes like in a different boxes, so very premium packing. And This shows how they are taking care of each and everything. And these blades are also plastic, but looks really nice. So this is a flush mount ceiling fan. This is the LED light thing with the connector, and you can adjust the wind speed with the reversible DC motor and a timer setting. So you can also change the three colors with this adjustable dimmable 5 to 100% from warm white to cool white, that I will show it to you with the dimmable things. So this is good. And then from all the packing and the unboxing, you can see all the quality and the cover on the top. So very nice designer cover. After the install, the fan looks like this. So it's very modern look, and it's not like a same old look for the fan. So lights and everything fits really well, and you can see like the top thing as well with the designer thing. The light, as I mentioned, is bright light, and you can also control this dimmable thing with the remote. So remote is very trendy as well, not like the usual remote. And then you can just easily select and do the things. So the fan speed is a dual motor that I will show it to you. I do not hear any much of the sound or the noise for this one. So I'm just turning off the light so that you can see the movement of the fan. And you can see you can control the fan with the speed, is a speed control. So the reversible motor is usually helpful. So when there is a summer or the winter, this reversible motor is helpful for the fan. So you can see that it is a really nice fan without any noise, and also like a good airy thing. So the light can be controlled with a dimmable switch. You can turn like this warm white to the yellow daylight thing, like as you can see. So very bright lights and nice thing. Overall, it's a really nice fan with a nice speed, and you can also set the timer and control the lights and everything. So this is the reversible, as you can see, once I turn off, so it start reversing. So this is uh, you know can be used for both winters as well as summer. So it can easily work with the room size of 12 by 12 or 10 by 10. And see like the reverse thing, and now again start reversing. So pretty nice and fast actions, nice design, quite DC motor with a dimmable light, remote control controls everything, and you can have the fan with the flush mount look and modern design.